Hey, Mr. Robot, Ultimate Hipster 42567 here. Hey, I was seeing if you could go photograph Williamsburg. I heard that's the utopia for hipsters. That'd be awesome. Peace.
Alright, this is the Mona Lisa of Williamsburg. And you can see the bridge from here. You can see the Mona Lisa of Williamsburg just looking chill. See if I can get a nice shot. There's some really cool graffiti across the street. I don't know if this place is open, but it's pretty cool. So what I've been told about Williamsburg and what I've seen is like it's the hipster destination, right? And I'd say some of it is true, but you make the call. Oh shit. What's going on?
Brother, help me!
What do you need? Push it back. Have you seen me? I weigh like 100 pounds. Una, dos, tres. I'm gonna get fucking run over. See, that's all me. I don't even need y'all's help. See, I don't even need your help. I can do it all by myself. Alright, you got it? Mas? Oh shit, I feel like I'm doing all the work. Everyone's just like... Lo vea bien. Nah, I'm just fucking around. That was heavy. Williamsburg is pretty chill. You have free TVs. See if I can get a shot. What is this? Utopia? What the fuck? It's a lady eating a hot dog. Yeah, this was the donut graffiti spot, but it's got some other bullshit on it. There we go.
The cows can.
It's like parody shops.
One of them I don't have the...
She's on my side? Yeah, no, but I asked her.
These are cool. A store, but it says it's Brooklyn Woke Vintage.
Like every pizza?
Okay.
What the fuck? Now that I haven't seen before. $25 Kent. I think it's a retail plaza. It says so right here, but there's a lot of cool little chill spots here. I've been here once and I didn't see anything retail. Like I didn't see any stores that I could go, like food markets or whatever, food halls. Enjoy the process.
get a hell no.